Hi, my name's Colin Heathfield. I'm from Cole Palmer and I'm here presenting a peristaltic pump in combination with...
Hi, my name's Derek Higgins and I'm here from A&D Instruments and I'm here today with my Apollo series balance. Typical balance that you find in any laboratory.
And what we've done is combine these two components, pump and balance, balance and pump, utilising benefits of both of the components to achieve what we're calling a gravimetric filling system. So if we dig into that a little bit more, it works by, so we're filling a container. We have a container, Derek has a container there, which will go on the balance. We use a pump to suck the liquid out of a container. So a peristaltic pump can typically do a suction lift of up to 7 metres. It uses a tube as the pump. So a very key point, the tube is the pump is the tube. This is key because it means that your liquid contained within this tube is handled by an FDA grade tube, that's Food and Drug Administration, or a USP Class 6, a pharmaceutical grade tube. So we can meet the pumping chamber to the liquid you're trying to do. It works very smoothly, very gently. It moves the liquid in a very controlled way, and we can use many different sizes of tube per pump head, so we can use bigger flow rates to fill quicker, or we can look to scale up. This is our laboratory bench version, if you will, but we can scale up.
We've got models that go from 120 grams up to 10 kilograms, so quite a large range of capacities, and 1 milligram resolution up to 0.1 of a gram resolution.
So when we put it together as our gravimetric filling system, we use the balance and its skill set, if you will, control the pump and its skill set. We use the ability of the pump to have different speed ranges, because what we're trying to achieve is what we call accuracy to the last drop. I think accuracy to the last drop is one of our key things, and you'll see with a fill, if you look closely at the dispense nozzle at the end, you will see that accuracy to the last drop. So if you could just briefly describe, Derek, how the balance controls the pump to give that.
Sure. So what we've got here is we've got the balance, which is actually determining the final weight, controlling the accuracy, if you like. And when I say controlling, I do mean controlling, because in the back of this balance is a specific interface module designed specifically to work with Colin's Masterflex pump here. It sends out control signals that will control the start and stop of the pump, the reverse direction of the pump, and also the fill speed of the pump. And it's a 3-stage fill speed. So Colin talked about accuracy to the last drop, which is fantastic, but as we all know, you need to do these things quickly as well. So what we've got is we've got something that can fill quickly, but then fill accuracy at that last drop.
So it slows down to give that accuracy
at the end of the fill.
My biggest thing is the semi-automation. Is the fact that it's no longer labour intensive. We can now use it and save money, and it is that saving money, and we can scale up as well, because bigger balances, we have bigger pumps. I know you have bigger balances.
We do.
We have bigger pumps. We have stainless steel pumps for washdown environments. You have washdown balances. So we can cover industrial environments and bulk handling, which can give another money saving point, because you know, if you want to measure 10 litres from a ton container, we can do that, and we can do that with accuracy now. We can do it with stainless steel pumps. We can do it with bigger pumps, so to keep the time scale good.
So here we are, that's the system in its entirety. The clever bit is, as I say, in the back of the balance, which is connected via an interface cable to the interface in the back of the pump. And it's simply a case of, we've got a remote start button here. We put our container, empty container, on the weighing pan, zero it off, so we've got a 0 point, and we're ready to dispense. Okay, so we can press start.
it's worth looking at our various sites and talking to us about these guys if you're fitting this sort of thing. And I think the markets we're looking at are the pharmaceutical, the biotech, on the smaller scale, the cosmetics, that side of things.